Many people mistakenly believe AI will replace entire jobs all at once. Instead of asking if AI will replace programmers or designers, the real question we should be asking is, which specific tasks within these jobs can AI perform faster, cheaper, and good enough to meet business needs? Companies aren't waiting for AI to replace an entire person. AI is rapidly evolving beyond simple chatbots. The first jobs to be significantly impacted by AI won't necessarily be the most intellectually demanding. Consider customer support. A user asks a question, an agent searches a knowledge base, finds the policy, drafts a reply, and records the outcome. For content writing, marketers often need numerous product descriptions, email drafts, social posts, and ad variations. In legal and financial fields, junior analysts often spend hours reading lengthy documents, extracting key points, comparing numbers, and preparing summaries. Software development offers a highly visible example. What began as simple autocomplete tools has evolved into sophisticated coding agents. AI will first absorb routine programming tasks, writing simple CRUD pages, fixing minor bugs, converting designs to basic components, generating API logic, creating tests, refactoring obvious code, and drafting documentation. So, who is most at risk? Not the top engineers or strategic thinkers. In this new landscape, the human role shifts. The person who only executes tasks may be replaced. AI is not just a tool, it's a productivity multiplier. One designer with AI can generate more concepts. AI may not replace your job tomorrow, but it will likely replace the easiest 50% of your tasks, changing your job forever.